Navan is integrated, supportive, and efficient. I'm Zino de Kok. I lead the teams that are involved in shared services, so basically making sure that all our invoices get processed and paid on time, but also a lot of our general ledger work, making sure that everything is ready for reporting at month end. SoundCloud is an online streaming platform. We're an artist-first platform empowering artists to build and grow their careers. We have 4 offices: New York, LA, London, and Berlin. Our HQ is here in Berlin, and we have about 400 employees worldwide. Before onboarding with Navan, we managed expenses and travel through a multitude of tools and across different locations, and unifying that really made a lot of sense in light of the growth of the company. We onboarded Navan in January of 2019, so we've been using Navan for 6 years. As a traveler, Navan is a very easy tool to use. I just go on the tool, enter my dates and my destination, and I can very easily select and filter for the trip that's most convenient for me. Navan Expense improves the accuracy and speed of expenses because controls are integrated, which makes approvals a lot more seamless. It makes sure that if certain expenses are okay, then they will go through, rather than an accountant having to look at every single spend and having to approve them yes or no. So Navan Expenses automations really take a lot of the heavy lift off the shoulders of my team. That is really, really helpful and makes us save a lot of time that we can then invest in other tasks that add more value. 75% of our transactions are pre-approved automatically now, and that really is a huge benefit to my team. Some of the features that have been the most beneficial to my team is the automatic assignment of expense types. So when you go to a restaurant, for example, the card will know and it will automatically give you the correct budget for those spends. Navan has enhanced my day-to-day tasks in the sense that it really allows me to focus on strategic questions. The feedback I've received about Navan Expense is that it's a seamless process. People like using it. The cards work always, and having that available really makes their life easier. It also avoids people having to be out of pocket. It is a good solution, and our people are happy using it. The rating of support is 4.6 out of 5, which means that Navan is solving our problems.